Now I'm going to go through the different types that we have. There are others, but I'm just going to go to the 4 main types. So the first one here is Creative Commons BY. We call it CC BY. This means that users must give credit to the creator or attribution. Anytime you see the word attribution, that means to give credit to. Okay, like you're citing something. If you're getting a picture from the internet, you need to tell where you get that picture from. Whether the site says no attribution required, I would recommend at least putting the website address of where you got the image from and just say no attribution required. So attribution, the CC BY means that others who use your work or this work must give credit to the original author. So that's all they have to do, is if they're using the work, then they have to give credit to who created it. The next one is CC/NC, non-commercial license. This means that others may not use this for making money. They must give attribution or credit to the person. So this license allows the user to use someone else's copyrighted material as long as it is not for advertising or making money. So they can use it, you just don't want them to make money or use it in any type of advertising for someone else or another company to make money. So that is CC/NC, non-commercial. This one is CC/SA, which means share alike. So this license allows the user to use the creator's work or any derivative, I will explain that in a minute, as long as it is given the same license, CC/SA. This means that the user can only use the copyrighted material as the same way the original material was CC/SA. Then after it's used, it must have that same license. So if I created a work and I put the CC/SA on there, that means that whoever takes my work can change it. That's fine. Of course, if it's just SA, they can change it, which is like in any type of derivative. They can make a new work out of it. That's fine. But when they share their newly created work, they have to put the CC/SA share alike on it. So basically that tells anyone else that grabs that work, if they use it or they take it and make a change to it, then they have to share it again. So share alike. So let's go to the word derivative. A derivative means the work was recreated or changed or modified using the original. So the new work is the derivative. So you have the created work, and then you make a completely new work, and that is a derivative of the work. So how can you tell if a work is derivative? The rule of thumb is to consider whether your use of licensed work would be considered a new copyrightable work. If you're just taking an image from digital, like an online image, and printing it out on a printer, or taking a song from a CD and changing it as an MP3, that is not a derivative work. But if you have a drawing that you've drawn and then you actually animate it, or you put new lyrics to a song, that would be creating derivative works. So there's a difference between those. And this one here is no derivatives. That means that they can only use the work as it is. They cannot make changes or modifications. That's what ND means.